Yokogawa's Press Conference. We're anxious to get going. We've got a lot of interesting information to share with you. We have three speakers with us today. Simon Rogers, head of our Advanced Solutions. Nakahara-san, head of our IA and Systems and Services. And Krasan, Director and Executive Vice President of Performance Solutions and Services. Please.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for kindly attending our press conference today. My name is Satoru Cross, board member and Executive Vice President of Yokogawa Global Headquarters and Head of Premium Solution and Service Business. Here is today's agenda. First, I'd like to introduce Yokogawa's Synaptic Business Automation, our new IA concept. Then, Mr. Simon Rogers, Head of Advanced Solution Business, will introduce Operational Excellence Transformation. Finally, Mr. Matatoshi Nakahara, Director, Executive Vice President, and the Head of IA System and Service Business, will explain profit-driven operation. The global industry trends are progressively changing, and industry must need to respond to challenges as shown by this slide. One of the most important trends is digital transformation, which affects other trends and is a profound transformation of business processes, business models, operations, and organizations. Other trends are such as supply chain issues, creating sustainable society with circular economy, adapting changing workforce, etc. The list goes on. Yokogawa believes that achieving true understanding of these needs is the first step toward becoming a partner whom our customers rely on to navigate an increasingly odious path. To adapt customer business challenges in the area of digitalization, last November, we announced our new IA business concept, Synaptic Business Automation. Through co-innovation, Yokogawa aims to realize customers' agile operation to adapt complex and diversified business environment changes. As with the term synaptic, we help customers create new value by connecting everything such as data, systems, organizations, knowledge, and supply chains with domain knowledge like neural network. With business automation, we co-create further value with customers to improve their business performance, such as optimization of supply chain and operation, and maximization of asset performance through co-innovation and digitalization. We would like to be a partner to create sustainable value for customers. By the acquisition of KBC, Yokogawa acquired the consulting methodology to improve customer profits and business performance with domain knowledge. We are now able to identify the potential improvement area through strategic consulting, create and implement optimal integrated solutions, operate safely and stably on robust automation solutions, and sustain and improve operational performance through life cycle on proven solutions and services. Our shared goal with customers is to realize profitable and sustainable growth for customers' business. The first step is to understand the potential value of a customer's business, which consists of following elements of resilient operation, optimized production, and business innovation. Resilient operation means to manage customers' business risks with improving operational resilience regarding HSSE, organizational optimization, and regulatory compliance. Optimized production is to optimize the customer's CapEx and lifecycle OpEx, that is TOTEX or total expenditure. Furthermore, it includes value improvements related to productivity and profitability. Business innovation means to co-create further value and business models with customers by driving collaboration with the customers and suppliers based on cloud technology, and by supporting to realize eco-friendly manufacturing to contribute to sustainable society. The typical return on a profit improvement program identified from 10 to 100 million US dollars in opportunities. This slide shows the enablers for Synaptic Business Automation that ensure continuous value creation throughout the customer's plant life cycle. In each phase, we offer unique and diverse solutions and services. Our business scope is not only conventional automation and applications, but also comprehensive solutions from sensors to enterprise, to total plant, and beyond the plant, such as cloud and remote solutions. Today, we would like to introduce you the two new solutions. Operational Excellence Transformation, to be presented by Mr. Simon Rogers, and Profit-Driven Operation, to be presented by Mr. Masatoshi Nakahara. Operational Excellence Transformation provides a comprehensive solution for supply chain and operation optimization. It is traditionally positioned as a solution for the level 3 or the above layers of ISA 95, but more comprehensive and unique as it includes the domain knowledge with the consulting methodology of KBC. The profit-driven operation is a unique solution to effectively utilize the plant data by the comprehensive performance indicator system to improve profitability. This is realized by the collaboration between KBC consultants and Yokogawa DCS specialists. This is another example of a new value created by the unique combination between domain knowledge and integrated automation solutions, which is a source of innovation of Synaptic Business Automation. Now let me introduce Mr. Simon Rogers, Head of Advanced Solution Business. He briefly introduced Operational Excellence Transformation. Simon, please.
Thanks, Crossan. Good afternoon, everybody. As Crossan said, my name is Simon Rogers. I'm leading the Advanced Solutions business for Yokogawa. I'm a chemical engineer and started my career with KBC. I also worked for Honeywell and ABB in the areas of simulation, advanced control, optimization, information systems, and supply chain. One of the objectives of Synaptic Business Automation is to use digital transformation to help our customers on their operational excellence journeys. KBC has a very detailed model of operational excellence, which helps our clients move from focus on risk minimization to managing their performance, innovative operations, and business growth. And this is a multi-year journey that most of our customers are on. And of course, there's a huge interest in using digital transformation to progress that journey. As Crossan mentioned, the combination of KBC's consulting capability, which helps our customers to design their best practice work processes and to change their organizations to use those work processes, and their detailed domain knowledge and process knowledge, plus Yokogawa's automation technologies, which support those consulting services by automating those business processes, we believe is a unique capability in the industry. In my experience, no one else has that unique capability to deliver quick value and sustained value to our clients. KBC's operational excellence model is made up of 4 main components: supply chain optimization, asset operations and optimization, operational risk management, and asset management and integrity. We have comprehensive consulting, implementation, and technology solutions in all of 4 areas focused on safe, reliable, and profitable operations. We use KBC's consulting and KBC's technology, Yokogawa's implementation and technology, and we work with co-innovation partners. In the area of supply chain optimization, we work with Chevron. In the area of asset optimization, we work with Shell. And in the area of asset management, we work with Baker Hughes GE to provide comprehensive solutions to our clients. And we deliver these solutions both on-premise and in the cloud. With the acquisition of Industrial Evolution, we have an organization which has been delivering cloud solutions for more than 15 years to tier 1 oil, gas, and process companies. Again, that's a unique capability of Yokogawa. So just to give a couple of illustrations of the solutions that we have in these areas, so starting with supply chain and asset optimization, it's a bit of a busy slide, but we provide a complete solution all the way from supply chain planning, which we're partnering with Chevron using their Petro LP for supply chain planning and production planning. We acquired Soteka, which has supply chain scheduling and production accounting solutions. And of course, at the process optimization level, we've been working with Shell for more than 10 years on the development of PACE, which is the latest generation multi-variable control and optimization technology. And we have Petrosim, which supports both the planning and scheduling process and the process optimization. So we have a unique and comprehensive solution for supply chain and asset optimization, and we're co-innovating with two of the leading oil companies in the world to deliver those solutions. A second example in the area of operational risk management, KBC have a consulting practice focused on the operators, on the shift team. They call it shift team effectiveness, which is focused on both the control room operators and the field operators. They help those operators they help their clients to develop best practice operating procedures and to educate the shift teams in the use of those operating procedures and to train the shift teams. The combination of that capability with all of the Yokogawa technologies which support the operator, for instance, operator training simulators, modular procedure automation, and our RPO operations management solution, which we're announcing the latest version of today, again, provides a unique capability. There's no one else in the industry that has that consulting capability and technology in all of the areas that I've just mentioned. So now I'd like to hand over to Nakahara-san who will talk about profit-driven operation.
Thank you, Simon-san. Good evening. Now I'm talking about profit-driven operation. Due to volatile market conditions, companies in the process industries are facing severe challenges to maintain and become more profitable. Typical issues are C-level KPIs are not connected to the engineering and operations level. Due to factors such as integrated operating windows, plant constraints, economic conditions, and safety margin, conflicting KPIs like safety and profit can create waste. Experience and competency in KPI optimization are depleting at the working levels as experienced staff is retiring. Big data in DCS is not fully utilized, and information flow is one-directional to the boardroom. What if KPIs could be structured systematically across a vertical organization to unify all the employee capabilities, motivate them to do better, and cultivate the knowledge that is the DNA of the organization? If an oil refiner could do that, they could raise profit by $5 to $15 million per year. Based on KBC's domain knowledge and experience working with plant big data on DCS, Yokogawa provides Synaptic Performance Indicator. For simplicity, we will refer to them as SPIs henceforth. SPIs cover key improvement areas such as production, profit, energy, reliability, and safety. SPIs are systematically and seamlessly connected from the management level to the working level, and vice versa. They help management to drill down on issues related to the working levels. Also, effort to make improvement in the working levels ultimately contribute to the management SPIs. For oil refineries, Yokogawa has devised 93 SPIs for daily operations by managers, 357 SPIs for hourly operations by engineers, and 377 SPIs for use on a real time by shift personnel. Since some of the management SPIs and engineering SPIs use MES data as well as DCS data for their calculations, those SPIs are provided through KBC Copilot program on the cloud. On the other hand, operations SPIs, today's topic, can be provided on DCS using DCS data. Do you know Japanese karaoke? There is a mechanism for scoring karaoke singers based on categories such as pitch, technique, passion, stability, and rhythm. It helps singers to analyze their singing and motivate them to improve. Yokogawa Karaoke Type Dashboard has a similar scoring mechanism, focusing on operational priorities such as production, profit, energy, reliability, and safety. It helps operators to analyze the balance of their operational priorities and to find areas for improvement. The Synaptic Performance Indicator dashboard displays each SPIs with its ideal range. In case a certain SPI is outside the ideal range, expert advice is displayed so that operators can take agile action. Automatically stored SPIs and operators' scores in DCS can be utilized for industrial benchmarking, root cause analysis, and expert consulting for continuous improvement. SPIs and this dashboard can help operators transform their operation work from event-driven to profit-driven. Today, we introduce the two topics, operational excellence transformation and profit-driven operation. As you can see from this slide, we plan to keep enhance our solutions based on the solution roadmap for next few years. We provide a highly efficient operation platform and several solutions regarding OT and IT convergence and beyond. And at last, we like to co-innovate our customers' business process and performance to realize Synaptic Business Automation. In addition, we like to announce our new operation management software package as a part of operational excellence transformation, which optimizes the supply chain and operations by enabling plant personnel to work more efficiently. This information is inserted in our press kit distributed, and please read it later. Thank you very much.
Okay, in addition to the press release and the press kit, there's a flyer on our Synaptic Business Automation concept. And in there's a QR link where you can download a more detailed white paper on Synaptic Business Automation, or you can go to the virtual press room and download it from there. So we have a few minutes for a couple of questions. Please, gentlemen.
How far is the
Very interesting. Thank you very much. Which part of the optimization is implemented real time or is useful to be implemented real time? The supply chain maybe not, because the time constants are a little bit different, but
Yeah,
operations maybe.
Yes, thanks, Valentin. Obviously, PACE, multivariable control and optimizer, is a real-time application, and also we combine that with Petrosim, so we can put Petrosim online and run that in real time to supplement the multivariable controller to update the gains and update inferential calculations within the multivariable control application. So we're combining those two technologies, Petrosim simulation and PACE multivariable predictive control and optimization.
Anyone else? Okay, well, thank you all for coming.